Okay. Hello. Good evening. I think this is going to be good now. Let us see. Please do the capture thing. This should be fine. There it is. Awesome. Hello. Good evening. Sorry about a delay there. Windows updated. It wasn't even a recent update, I don't think, because I don't think there's been an update recently for Windows, but yeah. And the sneezes. Cool. Yeah, I have some text files on my desktop, like the scrolling text that has all the members, the time of your members and stuff. That's just that's just a text file on my desktop. Windows decided that it was going to change the permissions of it, so I could no longer write to it. I could read it, but I could no longer write to it. So yeah, that's fun, especially when the account that apparently owns it is account unknown, and I can't remove the unknown account because it's apparently on there because of inheritance. But inheritance is disabled on the file, and I can't enable inheritance because I don't own the file. So yeah. I don't know what messed it up and when it messed it up. It must have been in the last couple of weeks. So yeah. I don't know. That's weird. So I had to use good old-fashioned PowerShell to remove every piece of ownership and every account detail removed from the folder, from the desktop folder, which makes the desktop disappear on Windows, which is interesting. And then manually browse to it so that I can re-add them in Windows, which is just the weird things. So yeah. Squirrel's there. Hello, squirrel. Starting early tonight. Oh, squirrels. You want the cookies? We don't have any cookies, I'm afraid. We have coffee and donuts instead. Will that do? Will that suffice? Okay. What were we doing? Why are we doing it? And how are we doing? How is everybody today? Is everyone having a wonderful seed? Wanderer, hello. Primal, hello, good evening. And Horace, hello, good evening. Is everyone having a fantastic day? Is everything fantastic? Coffee's your button, donuts to your brain. Yeah. Is that right? See what I said out of the map? I did not see. Did you send me? Oh, you restarted. Yes. Yeah. I've been tempted to do that myself because I want to change things up over here, but I'm going to stick with this one here, and then we'll restart something completely different. Yeah. Next time, I'm going to do a random seed no one knows about. I'm going to make it up off the top of my head, not tell anybody the seed. You definitely won't see it in the top left corner of the screen. Nope, never. So yeah. Oh dear. Right. Power needs to come to that. I want to rebuild this building here with the power thing. Wonder, I do have a question. If I may. The giant tank, the modular tank. How big is its footprint? Would it fit in there? Would it fit in there? I'm not sure I want to fit in there. I'm not sure. We'll see. You have to get up early to watch the streams. You don't have to get up early to watch the streams. I'm just very grateful that you do. Was fired a JU88 and IL23 ones. When you're in JU88. Oh, nice. Liquid tanks are 25 by 25. It doesn't go in there, it's not the end of the world. Ooh. Yes, it would go in here because these are obviously added to the side of the building. Maybe I could put a giant fuel tank there and then have these guys down the sides of it with the building, and we'll put a roof on top, and we'll put the radio tower on top of the power plant. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, oh, excuse me. We're going to build this thing. That's what I want to build. The transport ship thing, yes. Learn something about water. If it has 2 points of flow inward, and you can make a water world. Two points of flow. Because it only flows a certain distance, just like Minecraft. It flows so many blocks. Isn't it? Yeah, it only flows to that point there. If I go to here, how many blocks is that? So that's right. Let me fill that one in there to make sure it's just nice even. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seems, yeah. It needs probably more than. I mean, this should fill. This if I mine all this out here, if it follows Minecraft water mechanics, this area should almost fill 100%, but it may not. I'll do this. Yeah, there we go. Bump. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, cool. Okay. Yeah, so if you mine out and make it just if you make it 1 deep, it should fill. If you make it 2 deep, it may not. I'd like to be able to, you know, if you could build lakes and then just have it pour in, but that's a lot of computational power required for that sort of thing. That becomes a little bit more complicated. Let me try the 2 deep thing. So if I do this, I think if this follows the Minecraft logic, as I said, whoa. No, it did fill in. Ah, nice. Okay. Okay, see, in Minecraft it won't do that. It will fill in the below it, but it won't fill above it. So, interesting. Interesting. Now I just need a bucket. Need a bucket, and we can make a dam. Yeah. You can make inlets. Yeah. So you want to have build a channel and let the water pour in to into somewhere and fill. Yeah. Awesome. Right. Okay. Anyway. Doop. So we need put on board energy cells. Get 200 polymer boards, so we're going to grab a lot of polymer. I could just go to the machines and grab out the machines. It would be quicker. It would be very quicker. I'm going to do that for the rest of the stuff. Okay, that's 200 polymer boards. I have 200 polymer boards. I don't know why that says no. Squirrel! No squirrels! No squirrels! No squirrels. No squirrels. Polymer energy cells are being made. Not here. Here. Ah, stuck. Give.
Squirrel!
Squirrel! Ah! But there are no squirrels. We're squirrel free. It's fine. It's fine. We're good. Advanced material part and steel beams. Oop. Right, picking the stuff for the jetpack going against the bell. I mean, it's going to be just as easy to go and pick this up manually. Apart from steel, because steel is not going to be steel is not on our belt because we haven't upgraded the steel to go any faster yet. So we need to do that. I steal your squirrels. I steal your squirrels. Oh, yeah, you can pick up a lot more with the jetpack. That's what I mean. Don't take away my definition as well. No, how could you? Okay. Oop. Okay, that was easy. Here it is. Here it is. Let's set it around this way. Should want to sit there. That should be central. Yay! Yay! Tag, hello, good evening. Okay. Right, so I now want to make I think a big power bomb. Let's make a big power polymer. Oop. Oop. Oof. Oof. Right, so is it a power line or is it a Tesla coil? Oh, that's not good. I have to fence it off. Doop doop. Many railings, really? Making me some. Yeah, yeah. You said it was big. Yeah, yeah. I am impressed. One power line. I need to make more power. So, can I connect this guy to there, or is it too far away? It is too far away. Of course it is. Of course it is. It's 2.74. 24 point. Okay. Let me put you down here. Wow. You can connect to that one. That one. And then you connect to wow. Too large. Okay, so it was saying because right, that's still not a huge distance. That's still not yeah, okay. Genuinely so what is the distance that these can connect? They can do 45 meters, which is yeah, okay. I kind of figured they'd be something like 100 meters or something like that. I don't know why I thought they'd be long. I envision them being I envision them being like the great big power poles we have that go through farm fields and stuff, and they're like 250 meters apart from each other. Well, okay. Okay, power technology, because they always calculate the smallest, but yeah. But that one can't connect to that one because it's too far away. Okay. Doobie doop, doobie 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 doob. Can't connect sound because it's 20 meters away. Okay. So can we connect to that one? Up to here somewhere, and then to there. There we go. But okay, that'll do. That'll do. That'll do. I'm gonna have to just accept that the power poles are a thing. I don't like them, but that's fine. We just have to deal with it. There's something I can do to want to buy dirt. Not dirt. Want to buy grass. There we go. Put them like that. Whatever. Whatever. Okay. More importantly, these are done now, right? Yay. Transfer information. Shutting down the building will cause all ships to return as soon as they finish their current task. Okay. So now we want to build a radio tower. Of buildings. I gotta say, I'm still confused by the emergency beacons here. 100 steel beams. Oop. And I need somebody to put it. I had kind of planned that we put it on top of the power buildings, but I haven't built the power building. However, no, don't be doing the yawnies. Why are you doing yawnies? I haven't been tired all day. What's going on? Yes. However, we do know that this has to be a certain height. Yeah, it needs high voltage. That's why I'm kind of thinking of how big is it? How big is it? So bad. Literally just put it there next to the power thing and it could just... Yeah, I suppose we could always move it later if we wanted to. Yeah, it's not got a great big base. It's tall, isn't it? But it's not got a huge big base. It's only 11 by 11. We could put it here, right? Original base buildings need to be fully placed on foundation. Do they? Do they? Do they? Why do they need to be placed on foundation? They run on high power. Why do they need to be placed on foundation? BBC, hello. I haven't got the sales warehouse yet. No. No, we're getting to that. We're getting to that sort of nowish. Add another row of Line it up perfectly with the power pole. So, no grid connection, but where does the power connect to? Doopy doopy doop. Right, okay. Hold on. There's no power connector for it yet either. Right, okay. Oh. Oh. Oop. There's me. Modular connection. Ready to have middle. Ready to have pole power connector. Ready to have a top. Okay. So there. Add a power connector. There. Add the middle part. There. Oh, you can add another, but you can make it taller. Ooh. You can make it even taller. Minimum 3, maximum 3. No, so you have to have 3 parts. Okay. So why? It says maximum of 3. So okay. So it's it's a modular building that's got to be a specific build. It requires the parts. So the only bit that's optional is the bottom part where you have the power connections. So yeah, okay, right. Start construction. Okay. Boop a doop. It's the package. Right. Okay. Okay. So now we need the construction warehouse. The beams and advanced machinery parts. I really need to get the steel beams sorted out. Desperately lacking on steel. What's energy and building materials? Yes, I haven't got any building materials. We're not making building materials yet or doing anything like that at all. We're just literally unlocked that. Like unlocked the modular buildings last time played, so and then concrete, which is going to be here, which makes life a little bit awkward. I hadn't kind of decided what I wanted to do with concrete yet. I think we can write it down next to the Techman, or right next to it. But of course, I only have 25 conveyor belts, so But now I can't walk underneath there. But that's okay, we have a jetpack to go around. Yeah. Imagine taking, yeah, I could take it down under, but I've got a jetpack. I can fly over the top. I don't need to walk underneath there, so just so used to walking under there, I keep forgetting I have a jetpack. Oop. Okay. So, go down. Steel beams, advanced machinery parts. Steel beams. Oop. And advanced machinery parts. Spacebox, hello, good evening. Yeah, I agree completely. This game is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Love it. I mean, I need to use the jetpack more often. It's just that I also need to not use the jetpack when I don't need to. Like right now, I don't. If I'm on flooring, I don't need to use the jetpack. That's what we have these walkways for. Yeah. So this is where the lab. This is where this is going to go. Ooh. Oh my, that's a big one. Oh, you're a tall one. I'll give you some. Yes! Yes, there was some gifters going on yesterday. So the question is, it's the same as this, isn't it? It's 21 by 31 by 21, and this is 31 by 21. So it's the same as this. So I want to mirror this guy. So we want to go 3 away from the edge here. 3, so it wants to be there. If I get rid of some of those things there, come down here. Oop. That. Remove that. That's where it's got to go. Okay. So now I know it sits there, and that is its location. Oop. Put the path walk in again. It's exactly lined up with that opposite side, flipped. Got inputs. Oh. Edge inventory. Right. It's got a panel on this side, which would have probably been nicer to have on the other side, but I didn't know. Yes, jetpack fuel is the jetpack is just nice, just in general, right? Flip you round. Flip it down. The panel's this side. Cool. This has got a panel on both sides, which would be unlikely because no other machine ever has. Yeah. So it's got some imports. Yeah. Got some ports. I'm saying imports. It's got some ports here. It's got some ports here. So over here, we want to be making less of a jetpack, more of a hoverpack. Yes, yeah, that's true. Yeah, it is more of a hoverpack. Jetpacks are just send you off and yeah, you fly places. But yeah, it's good. I like it. I like it a lot, and I like that the fuel is easy to produce. So you want to be making structure materials. That's a lot of inputs. A lot of inputs. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I don't know what the sixth one is. But fortunately, you just said it makes 320 a minute, so you do really only need one running. So, yeah. Only you say it only needs 6 belts. The next closest machine is one that needs 3 belts. So it's twice more the requirements than previous. So yeah, it's a lot of inputs. This is where our bus comes along. We do only need one machine making the components. If it made them here, the output could be there, then we could go down underground, do the same thing that we did with this one, and bring it up. And yeah, you need 320 is 320 a minute is pretty good. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put one machine in here. Let's go and get some more building blocks. Yeah, we'll do one Mark II. I was trying more figure out. I was just trying to more figure out where I wanted it to be. So yeah. Okay, sorry about that. Right, let's extend you out. You don't need to be as far back as this. We can actually... We can't put any more of these in because of the limit, but if we want to extend this, we go backwards, don't we? So that should... Okay. So, pick you up. Put you down, lined up with this guy here. I'm going to turn it around and put the panel behind it. I have no idea. Go. Don't remember where. I think here's one to go down. It might be actually. Let's bring that belt across. We have to get down under that belt. We could do this. No, down. Let's.
Oh, I hate that hedgehog.
But why? Why would you hate that hedgehog? What has he ever done to you? Nothing but nice. Very good. Why am I talking in the third person? Right. Then we have 3 this side, 3 that side, which does mean this is kind of in the wrong place, but that's okay because that's kind of in the wrong place actually. Technically, this is in the wrong place. This needs moving over further, being off of the oil and having its own metal input. So, is concrete needed for anything else further down the line? Should I just turn it off here and leave it? He's going to check it. Oh, okie dokie. Just he's not going to like it. He's not going to like my rant on natural economy. This could be moved, which is fine. So the stairs could be moved, that is fine. So, yeah, I'm not sure whether concrete's needed for anything else, is it? That is true. That is true. He is a dev that listens and takes everything on board. So, other than these things, oh, and there should be a balancer mark too. Yeah. Oh no, no. We've got another science packet. Robot parts, hydraulics, pistons, and CPUs. Don't know what any of those are. Robot components are steel, polymer. Assembler Mark 3s are circuit board and assemblers. Helium, we're not making helium on the bus. These we're making is advanced. We do not need concrete. Also, we don't need technum. We haven't needed it for ages. We haven't needed any technum rods since here. Since not assemblers, since what's this? Science Pack Mark 1s. That's the last time we used the technum. No. Yes, yeah. So I'm thinking of doing away with that. Ah, 8-bit again, no! Why must you constantly take my definition? I'm trying to be a high quality streamer, how could you?
Squirrel!
Squirrel. Not the squirrels! But I'm not distracted. Look, I'm concentrating. Honest, honest.
Squirrel!
Ah, more squirrels! What's with the squirrels? What's happening here? I didn't. I was like, rods are not used. Rods are not used for. Oops. So I'm going to remove the concrete line, run it on the SatAM line. Roasted hedgehog. What you want? Roasted hedgehog? Kind of weird people are you?
Oh, I hate that hedgehog.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. That's what like is it? So you hate the hedgehog, so you want to roast him. That's what it is, right? I get it. I get it. You're like Wally Kerry and and Froggy. No, not Froggy. Wally Kerry and Roadrunner. You just want to eat the Roadrunner. I'm trying to make it up as I go. I'm just trying to make it up. I don't know anymore. Alright, you go there. You come along on there. So we replaced that with them. Oh, what? All the things. These are on the bus and really just they don't need to be on the bus, but we're going to leave them on the bus anyway because we will convert them up. I suppose we'll convert them up. Right, okay. So we want to have 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oop. I missed some research in that tree. Oh, we haven't done the yellow science packs either. That's something we haven't actually, but we can't do that till we get the formula right. Yeah. Runa Grace, hello. The terrain shatter speed is the mining speed. No, that's how quickly the rubble that you make disappears, because I've disabled the rubble. I've disabled that completely, so when I mine it, it just instantly disappears. That's just how quickly the stuff that collapses on the floor just stays there for you. It's very difficult in mining underground to see. Missing research in that tree. What? Which? I'm missing a lot of research. I haven't finished any of the research, but I've loads of stuff to do yet. Yeah. But yeah, you can disable the rubber one, because when you're digging underground, it's very difficult to continue with. So. The red one there to the right. Yeah. What about it? What about it? You start with that. That's the first one. All the rest is done, apart from the conveyor Mark 3. It sets it very fast. Yeah. I used to have mine set to very fast, but so when mining underground, it's very difficult to see stuff. So I just disabled it, and now it just goes away. But it doesn't actually change the speed at which you mine at. That is all based on the actual mining speed of the research mining speed. So yeah. Need to get a sales warehouse going as well, and this going as well. But we're going to leave that for the minute. Configure assembler. Going to be making construction parts. Okay. So I need to figure out the furthest one away. Is that me or the tree? Huh? What? I don't know. I don't know what. I don't know what you mean by that. Was that you or the tree? What do you mean? I love how when I do this and I click here, I hear the sound effect over there. It's like wherever you started mining, building, is where the sound effect comes from. Right, so need xenoferro plates. How do we? It's been so long since I built something like this. How do we do it? This one has to be the one furthest away. Lost connection to both YouTube and Twitch. I'm still going according to my side. Still going here apparently, so So what's the furthest 2 away? Have that's right. Can you use that box put stacks of plates into? Yeah, I need to. That's also something else we need to do here. We need to get this being fed plates. I was just manually feeding it so I could get some, but yeah, it needs moving over a bit. Like move over here somewhere and actually having connection to the main thing. But I couldn't kind of do it because I put this in to go underground, go that way, and then I couldn't split this side to go that way because then it wouldn't continue on. So you have to come back here and do it somewhere. So, right, this wants to be the closest one, which is going to be concrete. So I'm just going to tap into the concrete directly here because it's not needed everywhere else. Yeah. Rest assured, send in the gremlins. So the next one's going to be, isn't it? Which I can't do because iron is too close. But I have to ignore iron for the minute, and we'll do that over there. Let's not ignore iron, let's just do iron over here first, because we know that's what we need to do here. Let's go up. Yeah. Down. Ah. Not that you need to go up and down, because but you will be splitting, so that's incorrect. Down there. I've forgotten how to do it. I've forgotten how to do it. That's the problem. Really forgot how to do it. This also means that we might have to actually bring our second bus of plates over to here, because we're starting to use more again over here. So we might have to bring the second line of plates above that one over again, but that's okay. Right. So, we need advanced parts. Let's do that one next. It's going to go here. It can't go there because of this. So that means advanced parts is going to go over here. Oh, okay. Concrete, polymer, and so this one also has to go down the end because of that plate thing there. So we have our 3 for this side. So now we need steel plates and polymer. What's there? So this one, furthest one away, so they have to overlap in that sort of direction. This one, the origin here. Up, up, down, down. It's there we go. One. No. Fail. Two. Three. One. Two. Three. And away you go. Stop producing. $60, $100, that's the problem. 25 minutes, that's the problem as well. Steel's really going to run out soon. One day I'll get around to fixing it. Maybe. Alright. So we shall come up here. One, two. We're going to feed it to the central port. Here they come. So, I don't know what's going to happen now when this gets stuff. Do they spring to life instantly? Do they have to wait for a certain amount of things? Oh, they spring to life instantly! Dude, where you going? Interesting, they go all the way up to a certain height to come all the way back down again. Can I take a ride on this thing? Yay! Going up. Ah. Well, clearly not smart. They smash into each other. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What is this, Timberborn? That's how they build bridges. They stand on the edge, they throw stuff down, it just happens to land in exactly the correct place. Here come the worker bees, yay! They've got little parachutes, they've got jetpacks, that's quite cool. Jet things. I didn't see how much this needed to actually build, so I have no idea how long it's going to take. Cool. Away they go. They're doing the thing. I now want to build a great big spaceship. Like I want a dry dock and stick the Enterprise in it, and then we'll build it piece by piece. But yeah, that's how the beavers build stuff. They run to the edge and they just throw stuff off the edge, and it all lands in correctly the right place, and it builds a thing. So cool. Okay. Good job I don't break my legs. Right, let's see here. I do want to move this. I don't think this is a good place for... Also, jetpack fuel should go over to the mall, but... Mall's far away now. The mall needs to be closer to where we're working. Cool. Okay. So I suppose the next thing we want to do is an awkward one. Yes, yeah, being able to keep your inventory topped off would be nice, yeah. Right, so then land, slide forward, and then... then bonk into each other. Yeah, I probably won't move the tower. It'll probably stay there now for the rest of the time, to be honest. It connects to that power pole. Everything's fine. Okay. So that's fine. That's doing its thing there. Yeah, which makes sense. Which makes sense because if they landed and then took off again, they'd crash into each other. So they'd land, they move forward, and as that one's going up, the other one that's coming down is not going to crash into it. Smart bit of animation work there. Very well done. Very well done. Let me take this. Wink. I'm going to come over here somewhere. Might put it here. So we get a was it similar 1 or 2? Yes. It wasn't the assembler at all. It was this guy. Because I can then box. We can put it next to it, or I can put it here. Right, that's going to store our fuel. You're going to do jet fuel. Tap into. Iron. There. Downslope there, upslope here. Oh, really? Well, I'm not moving it now. Actually, one over where I wanted to be. I wanted it to be here, but it doesn't matter. That'll do. That'll do. Make the jetpacky fuel. Okay, well then I suppose we'll put a light back in. Got lots of dead space here. That's fine. Doesn't matter. Yeah, I think we need to bring the other iron line down here. Looks at this. Right. What's next? What's next? Do we want to go with yellow sites? I suppose we kind of do. Actually, let's not go with yellow sites. Let's research the stuff that we can research with the normal sites. How many construction parts does the warehouse hold? Yes. I think it's the answer to that. 25,000. It will take us an hour. No, it will take us more than an hour and 18 minutes to fill this with one assembler. I don't know how much that was to make. Is there any way to find out? Needs 5,100. That's not so bad. Where you going, drone? Where you going? You're hiding in the trees. Oh my god, he disappeared. Oh. Where did I stop the second one? Here. So, at this point, there is no other use of iron. What? Oh. Oh, I did not put my walkways high enough. The entire walkway network is not correct. It's too low. Oh well, I'm not dealing with that now. I can't go down. I guess we'll go over. Yeah. The walkway system should have been at least one further up so I could get under this. So, oh well. Oh well. You can't walk over the top of it, then you make it walk over the top of you. Terrible. That's bad advice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh god damn. Ah, there's one here. Embrace the spaghetti. There's then this one here, which is all sorts of wrong. Yeah, this is wrong. I know it was wrong when I built it, but I ignored it. Now I'm going to fix it. 1, 2, 3. A move option for a lot of us. I feel like I'm. How can I put this? I feel like I would like a copy and paste for the game. I don't want blueprints. I know blueprints are a thing that's going to happen at some point, but I don't like blueprints because they end up making people lazy. But that's just my opinion. But they could definitely do with you select an area and then you can copy it or cut it so it removes it and then you paste it again somewhere else. It's like a blueprint thing, but it's not a blueprint thing. So yeah. See, I have a blueprint. See, I'm not. But if that just allows you to make blueprints in your save game, that's fine. If it lets you take blueprints out and share them with other people, it ends up. People just end up building modular factories, like with Factorio, and you just download the blueprint book and just go, here's the factory, here's the factory, here's the factory. And I know it's a choice of gameplay, and it's not being forced on anyone. I don't use them. I did use the blueprints for the train system, but that was after I made my own. I just feel like blueprints. Yeah. There could be an option and just don't use them. If you don't like them, don't use them. Don't have to. Don't have to force purism on everybody. Right, okay. Right. Radio. Going up. Going up. Look, hello. Cool, this uses built in. Oh yeah, isn't this one of the if we did this, oh that's the wrong thing. Is this the one? If we did that, yeah, it also extends. So even though this is part of the building, it connects to the flooring. Oh, power. Ready attack and operate on a strained grid, but needs at least 50% power. How much power does it need? Click the start button.
We did it. So much fascinating data is coming in. We have full access to every part of the station that is still working. which unfortunately isn't all that much. You can access the station control panel from the radio tower's screen panel. I think it's about time we schedule emergency repairs.
First time I wasn't killed my plates production, wasn't expecting it. Yeah, it's steel that I'm concerned about. We haven't got enough steel going because I need more ignum to come in. But I don't want to increase the steel production because, yeah, my landing pads added more stairs and stuff. Yeah, I like that. Not that we'd go up there and do anything with that, but that'd be quite cool. Okay. Awesome. Well, at least for me, don't leave your radar on. Can't see that thing. Or you mean the long range scanner? Ah, see, if you're running a modded game, you can't complain about lag and stuff. Come on now. Mods are not officially supported by this, are they? Are mods? I don't know. Escalator around the top of the tower. Okay. So, I guess we have to repair the hull. We've got 2,000 construction material and 20 minutes. We have 100 construction drones. Do we? Additional 100 drones, okay. Not officially spawned out. Okay. Boop. Okay. No, don't go. Not all 4 of you at once. Don't do it. Oh God. Bonk, 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 smash, bonk. Smash, bonk. Cars. Where was that? There comes no one. Hey! Have in your head. Spaceship! Now where you going? You're gonna fly to the radar tower? Or you're gonna fly up into the sunset? You're gonna fly off into the sunset. Excuse me, the space station isn't that way. It's that way. Ah, you go over to the 0 point, you go over to the landing point, and then yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. They go to the landing point and then disappear off into the clouds. They're a really inefficient design. Very inefficient design. Considering the engines can rotate on them, very clearly this looks like the engines can rotate. I would have thought they'd rotate the engines to, rather than go up and across, they'd rotate the engine things. I know, but that's oh, one's coming back down again. Okay. Oh. They go to 0, 0. So if you build your factory miles away from 0, 0, it could take ages for them to repair stuff. Okay. You produce managed drones? No, I'm not producing managed drones. I don't think we do. I think it says here we can repair this one. This does additional construction drones. So in order to speed up other stuff, we have to unlock this. So it's just a choice of which order you do stuff in, basically. Yeah. I love the scanner once it's built. Is it a high? It's a modular building? No, okay. The buildings. No. Oh dear. Right. Okay. We're gonna need the next tier of science as well, but I kind of want to research all these things. Well, two things. How big is the sales warehouse? They're both 31 by 31. Okay, I guess they're going to have to sit behind that. We need to mine out that mountain. That's going to be in the way soon. No, you can't have it. It's closed. Not allowed. You're not coming here, are you? You're going to land back at base. You done delivering? You done delivering? Yeah, you're going back to base, aren't you? Yeah. Oh my god. My next magic trick. Whoa. The cargo bays and solar arrays and spaces you can forever add. Okay. I don't know how you'd keep adding solar arrays. I imagine they could just extend out along the entire circumference of the planet. Okay. But upgrade your drill? I don't think I can. I don't think there is another drill. There's crafting speed. Is that? There's a mining laser. Oh, that requires yellow science. So maybe we should do some yellow science first and get the mining laser. The freight elevator Mark II. CPU production. Cargo ships, that's what I want. I want cargo ships. And then we're going to go and try and find some more ignium. It's not necessarily that far away. Can you barrel up illuminite? No, you can't, can you? There's no no, there's no barreled volumite. Shame. Let's see if there was barreled volumite, because then you can ship it in unless there's yeah, I don't know. Don't let that drug go for the laser drill. I've got a laser drill. Barring my lasers. BB. Right, oh, you're over there. Hi. I feel like I don't know how you got over there. But it's dangerous over there. Come back. Oh, he's got a new task for me. Yeah. Ready to get this cannon? We'll find Ignore for you. Okay. I'm making them a little bit on. How are we doing down here for stuff? Let's go down and do. They're definitely eating away at it. Yep, they're definitely eating away at it. I should really find a way to balance these outputs, because one side is working faster than the others, but then it doesn't matter because they all have access to the same amount of ore, so. You still can't go down any further, can we? We need mining tech number 2, I think you said. Like that one, 142. To get all the way down into oblivion. What I like is that you don't necessarily have to have them limited to just going underground. You could go up and put one at the top of a building. So we could put an elevator at the top of the radar tower and have the elevator that travels from the top to the bottom. I must admit, I do feel like the control panel should be at the top and not the bottom. I feel like that would be better. There is a belt, there's a split merger. Yeah. I don't know whether I should merge them up here or down below. Just not worry about it. I think I'm just gonna not worry about it for the minute. Even if one belt was being used more than the others, the drones downstairs will still do their thing. It's only when the belts end up having holes in them, like not enough goods coming through, then that's when we have to worry about it. So. Okay, long range scanner is also going to need a modular building. How big is the long range scanner? 10 by 20 by 10 by 1? Don't think it is. By 27. That's awkward. Why is it an even number? It means I can't line it up with the radar. That saddens me. It's huge. The scanner is bigger than the tower. Where is it? Oh, we can build already. Electronic components. Let's go and get some of those so I don't build stuff from. Doopy 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 doop doop doopy 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 doop. Yeah. There. You. Yeah. Very annoying. The thing's not the same size. There. Does it have a interface? Oh, it's only got scan module. Aha. Aha. The interface is on the front side there. So stand here. It's somewhere around. Right. Yes, it's somewhere around. So that's going to be the opposite side of me. On this side, and just double check. If I stand here, once you stand on that plant, but I guess you can't. Yeah. Now the interface is in front of me. Awesome. Okay. So this is a minimum of 1, a maximum of 5 upgrades. Can you, if I build, they have a HV. I don't know if it can transfer power through itself, but oh god, oh, you can't transfer power through. Oh, that's awkward. However, that doesn't answer the question to me anyway. I wanted to know whether I can go back and modify it after I built it one. So we could do this. We could put the could do that and build that, and then come back later and add the others to it. However, I'll put them in the center because it looks better. Start construction. Need 6,100 construction. Go. Also answers my question that you cannot connect, like I couldn't put a power connector on this side and run power from this building to this building, which means you have to run power in. We'll connect to one of these. That should be within range, hopefully. If not, I'm just have to kind of put another random power pole down and ignore the fact that these power poles are just horrible. They're all dancing around up there. Yeah, separate connections. Why? Why can't I not just daisy chain them? Tell me why. Warehouses as well. Oh dear, unfortunately, I do not think we're going to be going for very long tonight. I am very tired. Yeah. I keep yawning. Keep yawning. A lot. Okay.
Will you be serious for a minute?
30 seconds is my limit.
I am serious. I am seriously tired. Also, why does holding control and pressing a number it's not gonna do it now. Holding control when pressing 2 shuts the jetpack off. Doesn't do it with 1. 1, 2. No, okay, it doesn't do it with 2. Sometimes pressing control and a number shuts the jetpack off. Interesting. As if I quickly press numbers. It must be registering the double tap control. Yeah, it must be registering double tap control. Okay, that's right. So you change them? Yeah, it makes sense. No, not the explosions. Right. Okay. Okay. So we need to set up yellow signs. So that's going to probably be our next big project. I will build the warehouses behind there. I assume we want access. Well, I know we want access to something. Ow. Ow. I can see why they've got these giant metal rings around them now, because they do actually play bumper cars on there. So we need to mine this out. Yeah. I don't want to build a power station bigger than this. Not that we need. How are we doing for the grid? We are 50%. We are 50%-ish into our power system. So we're still good. Wow, the radio tower uses 10 megawatts of power.
With the worst damages repaired, BB was able to recover more data. The Foundry Initiative's goal was to convert this moon into a manufacturing world for robotic products. And besides mission management, the station's purpose was to act as a sales hub for those manufactured goods. There are still buy orders? That can't be right. Really? Well, how about we try to repair the sales platform and finally achieve the goal of whoever tried to set this all up? The construction drones we used in our construction industry should fetch a good price.
There is still no way to know whether that volume might's run out, is there? That's not a thing. I feel like it should get smaller. it should get smaller and just turn to stone. Like the lines and stuff should drain out, it should just turn to stone as you get smaller to the centre point. That would work pretty well as an effect to make sure so you know how well it's drowned out and it just becomes solid stone. As opposed to liquid stone. Yeah, just Laser! Rod me to the platform. You done it again? No, whatever. Right, so that is all of our tier green tier 3 research done. Awesome. Okay, so what's the first thing we want to research in tier 4? I think it's going to be that. But I can't do that because, yeah, you can't even start researching these ones and just get that one later. It doesn't work that way. %. Construction ship assign a construction ship course. If I had more construction ships, would that make it build faster, or does it just mean we can build multiple buildings at once? It will build faster. Ah, okay, cool. So building multiple ships might not be a bad idea. We do have space for a couple. But we got space for a load. That's true, it did say stuff in the database, didn't it? I always forget this is a thing. A long-range scanner. Once we gradually scans the surrounding area and reveal the map and all buried resources. That's similar to the handheld scanner, but has a much larger range. And cover rare resources like ore veins. You can influence both its scan range and its speed by the additional modules you attach. Multiple long-range scanners overlap the scan area. They will scan the area even faster. Okay. So realistically, for that thing, you want all the range upgrades and just one of the speed upgrades. If you're not fussed about speed, and this statement guide to your forehead. I just need to remember this is here. That's the problem, because I'm so used to games not having this. I'm so used to games where you just have to kind of figure it out yourself or go online to find stuff. They don't have information in the game. Because that seems to be a thing with a lot of early access games. They don't have the information available, but this does. This game is not early access. This game is basically ready to ship. Construction industry. If multiple ports are built, all of them will help constructing the building, speeding up its construction time. Okay. Oh, you've delivered all the goods. Okay. Just wait for it. You're a long way up there. I guess you're just above the build height, so there's no way I could build a building up to you. I don't know what the build height is. I don't know if there is a build height in this game. I assume there is. It would make sense to have a build height. Otherwise, you could build monstrosities. You could build a tower factory. I'm going to build my whole factory in one chunk. It's 32 by 32 and it just goes up into the sky. A million places. Yeah, right. I think I'm going to let this build and then they're going to be done. Cool. We're going to play with this. And then I'm going to call it a night, I'm afraid. I wanted to stream for a lot longer, but I am tired. Oh, it's close enough. Hurrah! Is someone could build the big tower on the hill with a dead fixed there. I would have thought there'd be a build height for placing buildings, but then modular stuff would be able to break that because you still can't build things above that. So I will find out in a moment. To be honest with that, I will find that out. It's going to be very easy to find out. Go down here. Oop. Whoa. Hello. Click the start button. Current scan target. I can't read it. And this is on the slowest setting. Was it it's probably going through and discovering chunks I've already scanned. Did it show you which one it's scanning? Minus that, so 19 is this way, so this is 19 on the X. Minus 2 should be here somewhere. You should be scanning these. Yes, there it is, scanning these ones. Right, so it goes up, it goes across and up, is it? Right. Cool. I can't understand where to get those bars from the trade station. I would assume you have to put down the 2 different trading hubs and then repair the station and feed it whatever it wants. Because that is something it does say in here. Space station. Make contact, upgrade, and then selling and Marolite bars. For Marolite? To sell production needs to move into your space station. Transport ships will automatically pick up goods from your sales warehouse and move them to the station. Once your station has any products in stock, you need to wait until the spaceship arrives to buy the products. You'll get Fullermite bars, an item that acts as galactic currency and can also be used for crafting. So you're literally going to make stuff out of money. Cool. So you need to, it's gold press platinum. Move those bars back to ship, build a space station, request the warehouse, and your transport ships will automatically move stuff from the station to the warehouse. So, yeah, you need to build a sales warehouse, request a warehouse, and you need transport ships, and you need to send up to the station whatever it wants to sell. So if I click here, you need to build the sales platform, obviously. Make sure it's powered, and then it would have sales. Yeah, so let's extensive cargo bay allows you to store more products waiting to be sold. It also allows you to store more currency items. This upgrade can be built indefinitely. Wow. Once you repair the solar panels, then you extend the solar panels. It can extend them forever and ever and ever. Ah, the hub is intact. That's the sales platforms by the looks of it. And there's the drone. That's the solar panels, which means that must be the cargo base. Does the model change when you upgrade it? Like, I know it repairs, but if I add solar panels to it, will it keep adding them to it, or just does it add one set and that's it? Because it would look weird if it had load. It would make sense if it did add to the horizon. Up to 3 sets. Oh, nice. So it does actually add it and then, yeah. That's cool. Okay. Let's repair the solar panels next. Go. You're obviously going to scan up right here. I'm a little confused as it's currently using no power apparently. So I don't get how that works. 500 kilowatts. Screen to 0. Someone's lying. Someone's lying. Yeah. We're going up this side at the moment. I think. I don't know where we are next. Hold on. Oop. 80 miles. Oh, so we're down here. Okay, hold on. Hey, so Ollie might over there. Ooh. What's this unknown resource? Ah, so it goes in a circle. I get it. It starts here wherever it is and goes, which is why it sped through really quickly, and then did a couple up here. Then, so it gets up to here, and then we'll scat through loads of these. Okay, I should probably leave this running and just let it scan away for ages, but it can do that whilst we're playing. I could also upgrade this because I think we have the resources for it. Just sent loads up to the construction, didn't we? Oh yeah, no, you're nowhere near ready yet. Thinking about it, 25,000 when you're spending 7,000 or 8,000 a go isn't that much. Although this set was going to take 10 minutes to do that thing. Yeah. You are an exact yellow belt, so when that runs out, the bar at the top should be basically ready to go. Yes, look at that. 0 and it starts again. Yeah, so 320 a minute, and the belt can deal with 320 a minute, which means the belt is going to be permanently full all the time. Never going to stop until that backs up, which is awesome. Okay, how much does it cost to upgrade this whole thing? $8,000 construction materials. Building cannot be modified whilst it's enabled. Oh, why not? Come and add some things onto it. It'll be fine. Uses 5.5 megawatts of power. Yeah, we might actually need to upgrade the power. How are we? Good job I built it, designed for twice the amount of power we currently have. And I haven't even touched solar. Yet. That's okay. That's okay. So let's do that. Let's turn it off. Let's modify it. Let's let them do the things, and then we'll come back tomorrow and we shall play some more. New. Shut down. Oop. Start construction. Requires 8,000 building materials. We don't have 8,000 building materials. We will have 8,000 building materials. More power. We don't have 8,000 construction, but we will have. We will absolutely have 8,000 construction materials by the time all these guys are finished doing their bumper car things, so we should be good. However, I'm going to call this one here. I'm very sorry. It's only a 2-hour stream, which is atrocious. It's terrible, terrible. But yeah, I'm tired. So instead, what I should do is I shall stream again early tomorrow. And we'll do a nice longer stream. Awesome. Cool. Look at our beautiful bus. Goes down there, goes along there. I suppose we want to go along there somewhere and then turn that way so we can stay here and admire it from the top of the tower. Yes. Yeah, the plan would be the same time as what I did before. It would be a 5 o'clock start UK time. So, that's the idea. Should be able to go to bed, get some sleep, and wake up in the morning to do that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okie dokie. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this one. We shall continue with stuff tomorrow. We shall get the sales warehouse and things sorted out tomorrow and get the... Yes, 4 AM for you, Wanderer, but that's okay. You don't have to get up for it. It's fine. We'll still be streaming when you get up, unless something has happened. If I manage to finish the game before you get up, then I'd be impressed, because I don't think there is a finish to this game. There's probably end to the story. End to the tech tree would be the finish, wouldn't it? Yeah. Okay. Okie dokie. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this one, and I do hope to see you again in the next one. And until then, as always, have fun.